Hi folks, difficult one to do a video on. I've just had to remove, I'm just going to try and go around the green budgie is the male, and the poor little thing, the female behind it. I'm just going to go around. Sorry, it's a long story. I don't know if you can see her face, but I had these budgies all in one cage, this cage over here, and these two, male and female. Hello, hello, what's going on, huh? Yeah, obviously the camera shy, they're only animals. I'm going to go back, but these two tried to kill, oh sorry, the male tried to kill. I'm going to go back. I've got lots of things going on here. I've got little chickens in for my daughter, sunken your parrots in the distance making all the noise, lovebirds in the distance, mating, and it's mating season. Just go and say hello to them. What's going on, huh? Hey, what's going on? Gow. What's going on? You've been on YouTube before, okay? It's been a bad day. There you go. Lovebirds, they're breeding. There's eggs in 3 boxes, this one, and this one. But let's get back to the poor little budgie. That was, you guys, you tried to kill it. So I'm gonna have to try and research why. Competition or something, or what, I don't know. So we're gonna go back. I don't know if you can see, it's the damage on this poor little thing's face and the back of its skull. They literally almost killed it. Luckily enough, I was sitting outside to watch what was happening, and I retrieved it as fast as I could. So thank God I've got several cages spare. So thank God it's eating, it's drinking water, so it's going to survive. But it looks like it's been in with Frank Bruno. Oh well, video over. I'll see how they get on here. I'll just take it down out the sunshine because it's really hot here. Okay guys, come on, I'm going to take it down and put you in the shade. There you go. Sorry folks for an erratic. Let's try and get a closer look. Can you see the damage on it? It literally it was almost killed. Thank God I was sitting outside watching them when they were doing it. Its nose or nasal passages have been pecked. Thank God they didn't blind it, and the back of its head was. But guess what? The male's still trying to mate with it. So I've got it a coconut shell, and it's been drinking water. It's eating. So it's going to be a survivor. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.